Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a fucking shitty ass pinger. Everything that I use in this video is going to be in the description. I use Notepad++ because it's most comfortable to me. Okay, so this is how you start. What you're going to do, by the way, I'm not going to do that fucking stupid ass login. Go to a different tutorial if you're going to want to log in, so fuck up. So what I'm going to do is you got to go @echo title, tut finger, color 3. Basically what these two just explain themselves. That's the color of the thing, that's the title of it. Go off, removes it, and makes it a clear slate, because if you just get a command prompt, you'll see shit on it. So what you're gonna do is once you do that, you're going to, by the way, this is very simple. I am going to grab something, so I already have shit, so you can see this, select copy, bring it back here, do that, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna type in echo space, copy paste that, and put that in every single one of these. Oops. Fuck that up. And then once you do that, all you gotta do is, this will be in the description, my finger. You want to Control A, Control C, minimize that, and then just throw the finger right on in there. And then once you do that, you can go to File, save, did not mean it, save as. We'll type in finger.bat, and then save as file type, save as type. If I can stop having a stroke. You want to set that to batch file, and then save. And what you're going to do is you're going to find what you made. So let me find it real fast. Mine should be in downloads. Yes, there we go. Tut Pinger. Open that. If you see this, there's a simple fix to it. That is, let me, I'm having a stroke. That is this command right here. Let me find it real fast. Right here. CHCP65001. This little fucking thing that they taught you in school as a fucking crocodile, whatever the fuck it's called, and then that will actually hide this. So you're going to put that right below echo, and then save. Once you save, you're going to close it, reopen it, and boom, it is done. Oops, I accidentally opened that one. Okay, then what you'll do is you'll put just use an example, not a real IP. You'll press enter, and boom. Well, yeah, that's really it. That's how you make it a finger. Very simple. Later on, I will show you how to make like something like this. Multi-tool, a lot more complicated, but I just made it more complicated. And I will teach you how to make an IP lookup. So that's really it. So see you later.